Hello guys, Veda, day 12. I have the hiccups and I'm at half mark shopping, yay. But I just recorded my entire, hold up, turbulence. Just recorded my entire shopping trip, which you guys can view. It's right up here, looking right up here. And I wanted that to be my Veda, but the hiccups. But my dad called in the middle of the video, so I had to stop. And now I'm going to get paper towels. Paper towels? Paper towels. $1.99. $1.65. $1.65. Whoops. Sorry. Won't pay for it. I have hiccups. I hate the hiccups. Bounty seems the cheapest at. Whoa. Bounty avalanche. Okay, so stay there. Okay. So we're almost done, and I actually started to edit today. Oh my god, sorry. I'm allergic to editing. And I was sneezing the whole time, and it was very uncomfortable. And then one of the after effects is I get the hiccups. So, I hate this. I hate it. I hate the hiccups. But yeah, it's going on. Passing by the bakery department. Cookies. And donuts. And, ooh, cookies. Oh my god, are they here? They have red velvet cookies. And I saw them once. No, twice. And it was before I got my iPhone. And I haven't seen them since. I don't know what happened. Whoa, sorry. Hold on. A little bit turbulence coming up. Hold on. Oh, wait, never mind. So, almost done. Then going back home. Gonna have some dinner. And then tomorrow I'm going to work. You guys get to come with me for the first time. You guys get to see what I do for a living. It's not really what I do for a living. It's just like Frankie's mom's like, Joe, you want to work? And I'm like, alright, whatever. And I get paid, which is good, because I need money. I'm trying to buy that camera still. That Samsung Dual View PL120, whatever it is. So, yeah. See ya.